corrupting the concept, falsely accused was used and misled. So, the magic wand is a very useful tool in Photopea, especially if you have like a blank background, like this. So pretty much we're going to grab our magic wand over here, and you see this tolerance bar. So this tolerance is going to tell you how much it's going to cut out. So if I set the tolerance to 1, see how it doesn't take all of that around? So if I set it to 40, now it's all set up around this side. And now if I go over here, I just rasterize this. I can get rid of pretty much that whole background except for here and in here. You can clean it up with the magic wand as well. Now I have a perfectly cut out mask, but you can cut out whatever you want. And the more you cut out, the better you're going to get with it. And this tolerance bar up here, if you set the tolerance to 1,000 or something, and you try and crop something out, it's just going to select the whole thing. You need to make sure you're watching this tolerance bar. That's the key. And if you can't use the magic wand to get like a little piece, you use your eraser and just come in here and you erase something like that. You erase the part that you can't get with the magic wand. So, if this video has helped you, hit that like button and comment down below what else you guys want to see tutorials on. Thank you.